again to match tomorrow against ASM Junction?
Yeah, it's of course. This is my third year with Dewa.
Tentu saja ini adalah tahun ketiga dia bersama Dewa.
And we created identity in the way we play.
Kita sudah ciptakan identitas cara bermain.
You saw already the last 2 years in a row that we had to adjust to that as a team.
Bisa lihat 2 tahun terakhir kita menyesuaikan dengan itu.
5 months ago, we were in the stadium celebrating the fact that we were the second in the competition, and this week we will play also for the Asian Cup.
5 bulan lalu kita masih merayakan kita nomor 2 di Liga dan minggu ini bahkan kita main di Asia.
And I know that we have to get also of course points beside the identity and the way of playing.
Dia juga tahu selain punya identitas kita juga harus punya poin.
But people who are thinking that we only play to play beautiful football, I think that's not the truth.
Tapi kalau orang pikir kita hanya main cuman buat main sepak bola yang indah, itu tidak betul.
We play kind of football that it's based on how you play together and how you develop players.
Sepak bola kita adalah bagaimana kita main sama-sama dan bagaimana kita bisa mengembangkan pemain.
If you see, for example, in the last 3 years, only on the right back position, how when they were there, Robbie Darwish was here, Nico was here. You see now the third right back of Borneo, Rija, he's 19 years old. He adapts very fast. How quick Indonesian players can grow.
Contoh, 3 tahun terakhir ada 3 bek kanan, Robi tahun pertama, terus ada Nico, sekarang Rijar 19 tahun, adaptasinya cepat, bek ketiganya Borneo, itu membuktikan bahwa sepak bola Indonesia pemain-pemain juga bisa berkembang.
We created in the last game 33 crosses and 29 opportunities to score a goal.
Di pertandingan terakhir kita menciptakan 33 crossing dan 29 peluang.
So we know that it's about winning the games.
Tapi pada akhirnya semua tentang bagaimana cara menang.
I watched the game Barcelona-Girona last week.
Dia nonton Barcelona lawan Girona.
It was a long time, was a draw. Barcelona always chances and opportunities. They scored at the end. They scored in the last minute of extra time.
Sepertinya akan draw, tetapi Barcelona cetak gol di extra time.
You see Liverpool against Manchester United. Manchester United second half, one time in front of the goal.
Lihat Liverpool lawan MU, babak kedua cuma 1 kali depan gawang MU.
And Liverpool shooting 2 times to the post, opportunities, they didn't score.
Liverpool kena tiang 2 kali, tidak bisa cetak gol.
So I think that's what we do in Dewa United.
Jadi apa yang kita buat di Dewa United?
Is we have good and very good players.
Kita ada pemain bagus dan pemain sangat bagus.
We created a very good team.
Jadi kita ciptakan tim yang bagus.
And at the end, we created an identity to play.
Pada akhirnya kita ciptakan juga identitas buat main.
And of course, you have to win the games. And you have to get points.
Tentu saja kita harus menang, dapat poin.
But I am 100% convinced that we are on the edge of going now for that last phase also to win the games, like the last 2 years.
Dan dia juga yakin 100% kita tuh udah ada di ujung tuh, supaya bisa ada di fase kayak seperti 2 tahun terakhir.
And I think that's what I expect of this game.
Jadi ini harapannya dia soal pertandingan kali ini.
Thank you, Coach Jan. And for Mesidoro, how's your preparation for match tomorrow?
Oh, thank you. Bueno, la verdad que hemos tenido una buena semana de entrenamiento.
Jujur saja kita seminggu ini latihan bagus.
Lamentablemente venimos de 2 partidos donde no pudimos sumar de a 3.
Dan sayangnya 2 pertandingan terakhir kita nggak bisa dapat 3 poin.
Pero venimos en busca de los 3 puntos para poder afianzarnos en el torneo y no dejar pasar tantos puntos.
Dan kita datang ke pertandingan besok buat cari 3 poin supaya kita tidak terlalu jauh di turnamen. Tinggal terus.
Dari rekan-rekan wartawan, silakan yang ingin bertanya.
Coach, it looks like Dewa is not yet on their best performance. What will be your plan for tomorrow game, for example, to improve those performance of the team?
That's why I already gave the answer, because I know these questions will come.
Makanya dia tadi sudah jawab di awal, makanya dia tahu pertanyaan gini pasti akan datang. Okay, Coach, you want to achieve the same conditions like Dewa United in the last 2 years, but last week you lose at home. But it's not the first lose you get at home. You also lose the first game of the season at home, for example. And how you will lift the confidence of the player? And is it the lose of last week have an impact on the players' mentality or not?
No.
2 questions.
I believe no effect.
Dia percaya tidak ada efeknya.
And to come back, because you asked a good question.
Terus kita balik lagi ke pertanyaan pertama tadi, karena pertanyaan bagus.
Because every time you play a different opponent.
Karena setiap kali kita itu main lawannya berbeda.
And every time there will be different balance in the team, and there's different spaces, different way to put pressure, different way to put the ball somewhere, to try to build up.
Dan setiap kali lawan itu keseimbangannya beda, ruangnya beda, pressingnya beda, bola ditaruh di mana juga beda.
We analyzed our opponent.
Jadi kita sudah menganalisa lawan.
And we try to find the opportunities.
Dan di situ kita akan cari peluang.
And for your question,
dan dilanjutkan tadi pertanyaan.
Can you go in the depth about the squad of Dewa United?
Coba lebih dalam lagi soal squad Dewa United musim ini.
Can you tell me, for example, with under 23 players we played the first 4 matches?
Masih ingat nggak U23 Dewa United 4 pertandingan pertama siapa saja? Yang U23.
Do you know that?
Ingat? Tidak, no.
Why you ask a question?
Jadi jangan tanya pertanyaannya.
Try to go in the depth.
Nanti coba lihat lagi
what
4
happens.
pertandingan pertama siapa pemain U23-nya.
And but I can understand the question.
Tapi pahamlah pertanyaan itu. Last question he asking about your opinion about PSM, because PSM in the last few weeks ago they are in the top 3 of the league, and now after the lose they now go down. What do you think about the team? Because they just promoted.
Yeah, but I must say that I know the coach, he's a Dutch coach, so you play against a team that plays from a structure.
Dia kenal pelatihnya, jadi pelatih Belanda. Biasanya pelatih Belanda itu main dengan struktur.
If you're not very good organized against them, they have quality players. So if they get more space, they get better.
Dan kalau organisasi nggak bagus, terus mereka dapat ruang, mereka jadi lebih bagus mainnya.
They have good individual players.
Punya pemain individu juga bagus.
So the way they perform now is not according their quality.
Bagaimana mereka menampilkan sekarang belum sesuai dengan kualitas.
And I think it's what they did until now. It's not about the first games and the last game, but in total, I think they did a very good job.
Tapi intinya patokannya bukan game pertama dan game terakhir. Intinya mereka udah bagus lah.
Thank you coach. Ini sudah cukup teman-teman. Kita akhiri sesi pre-match sore hari ini. Terima kasih. Selamat sore.
Thank you.